Hey there, Emil Veltre with RE/MAX Action First in Clearwater Beach here, and I'm holding another open house this weekend at my new listing at 1600 Gulf Boulevard. It's in Dan's Island. It's unit 717. It's 1880 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, has an awesome, beautiful, fantastic view of the Intracoastal and the Marina. So I have this brochure I put together. It's kind of hard to see it, but if you go to 1600 Gulf, G-U-L-F, BLVD 717.com, you can check out the virtual tour. Anyway, I'm holding the open house from 12 to 2 this weekend, November 24th. So stop by and see me, but if you don't have time, give me a call, 727-667-5592, and you can live here too. Have a great day. This is Emil Veltre, real estate pharmacist with RE/MAX Action First in Clearwater Beach, signing out. Bye.